there's your own personal portable extractor washing machine. Over here we have our water inlet right here. Here we have our wash time. You can go from 0 all the way to 15 minutes. You just set the timer where it needs to be. And here we have our cycle selector. We have off, normal, and drain. Here's the inside of the washing machine. Here's our inlet hose. Let's simply place it on the plug. And we can fill it with this hose here. And then we have our outlet for our water right here. So here's your Bubble Magic bag that comes with the kit. Basically put your loose material in this bag right here. You're going to put it into your washing machine. You're going to fill it with ice, cold water. You're going to let your machine run. Then when you're done, take your drain hose right here, and you can actually run this drain hose through a micron filter. So there's your Bubble Magic semi-automatic washing machine. This is available at monstergardens.com as well as many other extractor products. Thank you for watching. Have a great day in the garden.